Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the mysteries and advancements of technology. Today, we dive into the world of artificial intelligence and one of its groundbreaking creations, ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered if machines could understand human language well enough to hold meaningful conversations? With services like ChatGPT, the boundaries of artificial intelligence are continuously expanding. Join us today as we explore whether ChatGPT is taking over and shaping the future of communication. ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot, has quickly gained attention for its ability to generate human-like responses. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT utilizes language models trained on vast amounts of text to understand and generate text-based interactions. With an impressive ability to answer questions, provide recommendations, and engage in casual conversation, ChatGPT has become a go-to resource for many. Its machine learning algorithms enable it to learn from every interaction, constantly improving its responses over time. Testy users worldwide have reported positive experiences while interacting with ChatGPT. From educational purposes to entertainment, this AI-powered chatbot has opened new possibilities for communication. Ethical concerns and challenges. As ChatGPT rises in popularity, concerns have emerged regarding its ethical implications. The potential for misuse, misinformation, and biased responses highlight the responsibility that accompanies advanced AI systems like ChatGPT. Critics argue that due to its extensive training on internet text, ChatGPT may inadvertently generate inappropriate or discriminatory content. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has acknowledged these concerns and continually works towards improving the system's limitations. OpenAI is actively seeking public input and implementing safety measures to ensure ChatGPT's responsible usage. Transparency and user feedback play a crucial role in shaping the future of AI-powered technologies. Revolutionizing communication. While ChatGPT faces challenges, it's essential to recognize the positive impact it has on revolutionizing communication. Language barriers can now be surpassed, and information can be effortlessly accessed by individuals worldwide. From aiding language learning to providing assistance in customer service, ChatGPT's potential to streamline and enhance various areas is immense. With continuous development, it may even become an essential tool for professionals in numerous industries. As we reflect on the power of AI in English, ChatGPT stands as a testament to the progress made in natural language processing. Join us as we witness the continuous evolution of this AI-powered chatbot and explore the ways it navigates the challenges it faces. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content on the advancements of technology. Share your thoughts and experiences with ChatGPT in the comments below. Until next time, embrace the future that AI brings and keep on exploring.